this video, friends, I will show with you step by step how to check in on JetBlue online. So guys, go to Google and search for JetBlue check-in. After that, go to directly this website, guys, URL, and then guys, from here write your surname. After that, write your confirmation ticket codes, guys. For example, this is ticket, and then guys, all you have to do, click continue in this option. So guys, from here, click continue and write your ticket number. For example, this is the ticket number, and click continue. So guys, this is how you can do this. I hope this guide helpful for you. Write your last name and code ticket. Thanks for watching, guys. Any question down below in the comment, and I will answer your question as soon as possible. Just go to Google, guys, and search for JetBlue check-in option, and then scroll down. Let's see this website, this one, click check-in, and you will see this simple page to check in online. So guys, thanks again for watching this video.